Start off by pulling out the paper that says numbers, variables, and both. What I need you to do is to fold it in half, hamburger style. I need you to open up the foldable to example 1A. Very quickly, I want to remind y'all that this is a base and the smaller numbers are exponents. You're multiplying two numbers that have the same base. Our math rules tell us that we can add the exponents. Something I'd like y'all to know is that EOC sometimes will have it written in parentheses. So it'll look like this. So our next step would say we're going to take the same base, which the base y'all should know is 2, and the exponents are 3 and 5. And because of our exponent rules, it says that we can add our exponents. Well, 3 plus 5 is 8. And for this purpose, we're going to stop there. That's going to be our answer. You could put it in the calculator and do 2 to the 8th power, but we're going to stop there. Looking at 1D, what I need y'all to know, same concept, but you should see that these two are the same base. 4 does not have the same base as 3. So we're just going to bring down 4 squared, and we're going to look at 3, and this is cubed. And when there's not an exponent, we should know that there's an imaginary 1. So we're going to do 3 plus 1. Well, 3 plus 1 is 4. So for this purpose, we're going to stop there. I would like you to go to example 2B. And what you're going to do is, again, you should see that all these are the same base. We have a base of x. So we're going to take that and we're going to say x. When there's not a number, we know that there's an imaginary exponent of 1. So we're going to say 1 plus 5 plus 7. So when we add all those numbers, the answer is 13. So it's x to the 13th power. Looking at example 2C, it's the same concept. This time we have our y's that are the same. So we're going to take the x cubed, bring it down, and then we're going to say y exponent 3 plus 3. Well, 3 plus 3 is 6, so then that's our answer. It is not necessary to put a multiplication symbol in between. Let's look at example 3A. When you have a coefficient, what you're going to do is you're going to multiply the coefficients, and the coefficients are these big numbers. So 2 times 3 is 6. And now we're going to do the same thing with the exponents. Here are the exponents that are the same. I'm sorry, not the exponents, the base. The bases are the same, so we're going to say x 8 plus 3. Well, 8 plus 3 is 11, so our answer is 6x to the 11th power. We'll do 3b next. Okay, again, we need to look at all the coefficients. So the coefficients are 2, 3, and 2. Well, 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 is 12. All our bases are x, so we're going to say x 8 plus 3 plus 3. Well, all that added together is 14. So our answer is 12 to the 14th power. I'm sorry, 12x to the 14th power.